Hi, I'm Dr. Asghar Husain, orthopedic surgeon. Joining me today is Krista Consiglio-Lahti, who she and I are going to discuss the surgeon and therapist perspective on what to do when you have a sling, you have surgery, you need to take a shower. What do you do with the sling to take it on and off and protect the repair? By that, what I mean is you have to have enough space between the arm and the body, so you're protecting the repair, and you want the arm to be in just the right position. So Krista, how do you counsel patients on what to do when you want to take a shower?
First, I tell them you don't want to lift your arm in or out of the sling. You want to, by itself. You want to help it, you want to give it a surface. So I usually tell them to use their dresser or their kitchen counter or a countertop somewhat like that. So if we'll come right over here, you're going to just place that down. There's a clip right here by your stomach. Go ahead and unclip that. And then just bend your head down and pull that headpiece up and over your shoulder. Perfect. And now from that point, if this is on, you just take that Velcro off and you can then slide your hand back using the other hand.
Now, does it matter what position your body is in over here? Because I always get a little nervous. Now, he's using his arms a little bit. So technically, you don't want him to really be pulling like you just did.
So not to pull it out, I don't want the shoulder to help. I want the other hand to scoop in there and kind of cradle it.
So you're supporting it?
Correct.
So you bring it over it, you unstrap it, and then he's supporting his arm and coming up. And technically, you're not going to be pulling on these muscles when you come up, right?
That is the goal, yes.
Yeah,
you don't want them pulling on
don't
it.
Don't destroy the repair, please. So the idea, well, what do you think about this? I've sometimes asked people if they have a beach ball to deflate it a little bit and stick it under their arm. What do you think about that idea? A little bit of separation so that if you're going to get in the shower and get wet, maybe it keeps the arm in a bit of a safer position.
That would be a really good option as long as it'll stay once it's wet.
Yeah, gets a little bit slippery.
Yeah.
So if you have a beach ball and you can use it properly, go for it. Otherwise, what Krista just said. Okay, so, and then putting it back on. So we're in the shower, we're taking a shower, you're doing that. I usually tell people it's okay to let the arm down, right?
I tell them the same. I ask them to pretend they're putting their hand in a pocket.
Yeah.
So just to place it on the front of their thigh, like it's in a pocket with the elbow a little bit bent, just in case they had a biceps repair done at the same time. And that way the shoulder can stay relaxed and they can add a little bit of pressure to their thigh if they feel they need to keep it from just falling.
And sometimes even just lean forward slightly. If you can lean forward slightly, try to lean in a way where the arm is going away from the body if you need to clean under the underarm, right? And then we say ultimately, yep, exactly. And then you use your other arm and you're holding it back up again, right? And then show us how to get back in the sling.
So I suggest that when their hand is down and relaxed, they position the sling first and put the strap all the way to the opposite side of the counter. Pull the pillow as close to the counter as they can, and then support their body the whole way in. Come forward, let it stay relaxed. Slide that sling in, elbow to the portion at the back, without putting any weight onto the table. So this arm is just kind of floating, and then they can pull this up and over their head. Once it's up and over their head, the pillow should already be set ready. You stand up and turn around, and then the other half of the strap should be right there for you.
Yeah, it's very smooth.
So that way you can then just clip it. You can make any other adjustments. This was obviously set for him, so it's a little loose on me.
Obviously you have a helper. If you have a helper, you have the helper do it. But if you have to do it on your own, you did that quite skillfully on your own. Yeah, good. Any other comments on getting it on and off?
Those are my biggest tips, is to make sure that the strap is off to the side. Otherwise, when it's unhooked, you find people trying to like find it, and you'll see them start doing some funky twisting things to try and catch it, and it's all awkward and uncomfortable.
So if I understood that, find a supportive surface, put the sling and the pillow down, put your arm in a careful position, unlock, slowly bring it out, but while maintaining control of the arm. You know, do what you need to do and slowly tuck it back in while trying not to really activate the arm.
Correct.
And then tighten it up by bringing the strap around you.
Yeah. So if that strap is out to the side like that, when you turn around, it'll be there to grab. You won't have to go searching for it.
Love it.